Hi, I'm Chrisman. I have one friend that who sent me some tips for traveling because I have never been in another country another time. So my friend Julio said me that it's too important because it's too important to take some currency money because in that country has not exist currency exchange in some places because the country is too big to find some place to change my money. So I could uh, change I could change my money in the airport from Mexico City for example. It's cheaper to change that in another currency exchange. So I want to say some friends that could never uh, travel to another country that it's it's too important to change their money in our country because it's cheaper if you arrive in another country because it's more expensive, more difficult, and more or could be more. I don't know how to say it. It could be more uh, mm, difficult to find some currency exchange. So my tip is to change their money in Mexico City or, or at the airport because it's cheaper.